7:36, time to focus on business news. Our business editor Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, these new energy royalty framework details coming down in Alberta today will likely be moving stocks.
Yeah, it'll provide at least some clarity, right? Because that's what a lot of traders have been saying. They're just not exactly sure what the new rules will look like. And anytime you've got uncertainty, well, then you don't have any investment or a pullback or anything of that nature. So it just kind of ties into the uncertainty going on in the energy market overall right now, Ted, considering that we have seen a little recuperation in the price for oil over the past week and a half. And yesterday, I was here at this time talking about talk that OPEC next month is going to cut production. That was the word out of Russia, and it was being reported, and the price for oil was up 8%, and then all of a sudden, everybody's starting to backtrack and saying, oh, we were misinterpreted and misconstrued, and yeah, we'd like to see a production cut. This was coming out of Russia. The Russian oil minister there today saying Venezuela's pushing for a cut because they need the money. Russia's pushing for a cut because they need the money, and OPEC itself, the Saudis, they're still sort of reticent about the idea because they'd like to push out the higher cost producers. So that's the trade-off. Nevertheless, the price for oil this morning is back above $34 a barrel on West Texas Intermediate, and the Canadian crude index price is above $21 a barrel. So it's recuperating, at least for now. And we are saying bye-bye to January today, at least from a trading perspective. Last day of the month for traders coming up today, and oh, what a time it has been. The TSX comes in down 3.5% for January. The Dow's down 6% for January. Today, things are a little better again. A little late month improvement here because the Bank of Japan cut interest rates overnight to negative valuations. So 7 years removed from the economic collapse or recession, if you want to call it that, we are still not seeing any type of normalized economic policy. And the Bank of Canada, or Statistics Canada today, said our economy was growing a little bit in November, 0.3%, and the U.S. economy, lo and behold, slowing in the last quarter of last year, even as the U.S. Fed was trying to raise interest rates. See how long that goes. Another blow to Bombardier quickly, Ted. It was at 89 cents a share yesterday as Iran, instead of buying North American products with the lifting of sanctions, they're going to Europe and buying Airbus aircraft instead. Bombardier not getting any new C-Series contracts. And we've got Amazon.com opening the trading day down 11%, and all they did was have a record-breaking quarter to finalize or wrap up 2015. Apparently, a lot of people were signing up for Amazon Prime. That same-day shipping program, but guess what? That costs Amazon a lot of money. Yeah. Even though people are spending more, have to make money, spend money to make money, I guess, or something like that.
Thank you, Mike. Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.